Welcome to B2Net Code channel. Guys, in today's session we will study how we can do EIGRP summarization. Okay, let me rename this to route summarization. Okay, and now let's start the routers. The goal of our today's task will be to here we have will be creating 1 2 3 4 5 6 lanes are connected to R1. Okay, we want that if routes go to R3 uh, in a summarized form, right? So let's start the routers and take the console session. This is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. Okay, first of all, let's check the IP address configuration. Show IP int brief, include unassigned. Okay, no IP addressing has happened, so let us quickly do that. I interface f0/0 IP address 12.1.1.1 255.255.255.0. No shut. Interface loopback 1 IP address 10.1.1.1 255.255.255. We will be using 28. That means mask will be 240, right? 240, because this has a block size of 16. Okay, and the subnetting is happening in the last octet. So subnet mask for this will be come out as 240. So this means 240 means slash 28. Okay, for loopback 2, and here ne the next network will be 16. So valid host will be from 17. Okay, and for L3 next network will be 32. Valid host will start from 33, and next network will start plus 16. 33 plus 16 will be 48. Valid host will be 49, right? Loopback 5, and 40 after 4950 will be the broadcast, and next will start from plus 16 will be 64. So valid host will be 65, right? 65 plus 16 will be 66 will be the broadcast, right? So 66 plus 16 will be 80. 66 plus 16 will be 64. No, 65 was the 64 was the previous network. 64 plus 16, 80, right? So 81 is the first valid host. Okay, and show IP int brief, exclude unassigned. Okay, now we have configured the IP addresses with a 28-bit mask. Let's do right, and let's enable a router EIGRP also. We'll be using EIGRP 100 100. No auto summary. Network 12.1.1.0 and for 10 network we'll be using network 10.1.0.0 sorry, wildcard mask 0.0.255.255, and right. Let's go to R2. R2 will be 12112. Configure terminal, interface F0/0, IP address 12.1.1.2, 255.255.255.0. No shut. Interface F0/1. Towards this hand side, IP address will be 23.1.1.2. IP address 23.1.1.2, 255.255.255.0. No shut. Router EIGRP 100. Network 23.1.1.0, 0.0.0.255 and 12.110, right? And show IP EIGRP neighbor. We can see that adjacency is created. Okay, now it is neighbor of R1. So let's enable on R3 also. Do show IP int brief, exclude unassigned. Okay, here we have IP address already configured. Show IP int brief, exclude unassigned. Let's make sure here we have the IP addresses. Okay, and configure router EIGRP over here. Network 23.1.1.0, 0.0.0.255. No auto summary. I'm not sure if I gave a no auto summary command over here. Let's double. Yeah, we did not. So let's give that. Config T router EIGRP 100. No auto summary and right. Show IP route. Here we can see that all the IP addresses are coming and loopback addresses are coming with the help of EIGRP. Now we want that because this increases the routing table. So we want that for 10 network summarized route should come over here and write show IP route. Okay, we want to looks like here routes are not coming. Show IP EIGRP neighbors. Okay, no neighborship created. Let's see what's wrong. Router EIGRP 100 1.1.0, 23 IP addresses already there. Oh, here the port that is connected F01. Okay, whereas we have given IP address to F00. Okay, that is wrong. So we were supposed to give IP address to F01. Config T interface F0/0. No IP address. Interface F0/1 IP address 23.1.1.3 255.255.255.0. No shut and show IP int brief. Okay, now we got the message that adjacency is created and Ethernet port 0/1 is up. Okay, show IP route. Now we can see that ports are coming. I mean routes are coming. So now we want that on R3 summarized routes for this loopback network should come so that we can keep the size of a routing table small. So how we will do that? Let's have a look. We can do this summarization on R1 as well as on R2, but let's do this for now on R2. First we will do this on R2 and interface will be F01. We want that whatever the addresses R2 sends to R3 from this 01 interface, they should go in summarized form. So that's why we will have to go to interface F0/1. Okay, and the command will be IP summary address. summary ads. Let's do question mark. Here it says what for which protocol you want to use summary. We want to use summary for EIGRP 100, and now the IP address we want to give, this IP address will be the summary address. So our network has 1011, so this summary address we have to manually calculate. So this will be uh, summarization is happening in the last octet. Okay, so 10.1.1.0 and IP network mask will be 255.255.128, right? This will be the summary mask, because if we calculate the summarization, we will include only those bits that are same, right? So only first bit will be on, rest all will be off. So this will be the summary address, and hit enter, and we got the message that neighbor 23.1.1.3 is resync summary configured. Okay, show IP route. Here all the routes will be coming individually, but R2 further will send the addresses in summary form. So let's go to R3 and see show IP route. Here we can see that it is getting 10 network routes in summary form. We can see that here the subnet mask is 25. That means only one bit in the last octet is on, right? Because we gave here command as mask as let me show you 128. Okay, that means first bit of the last octet is on, rest all are off. That's why the mask became 255.255.255 dot 128. That means 25 bits. So guys, this was the video about EIGRP route summarization. Let me know if in the comment section if you liked this video, and thank you for watching the video.